everyone, it's me, Zergy. Konami sent me a little PR care package for Metal Gear Solid Delta, and I wanted to open it all up with you guys and show you everything in it. So first, let's take just a look at the box itself because it's got so much on there. Like, I wasn't sure what exactly it was at first because it was in another box. Once I saw the Russian on it, I was like, oh, I know what it is. But yeah, it's that. My address isn't on there. Okay. That. And that's what the box looks like. And let's get started opening it. The gloves stay on. I'm gonna make this work. I got this box in around June-ish. And I wanted to open it right away just to see, but I am going in this line because I wanted to do an unboxing and share it with you guys. Is that it? Oh, okay. Comes out this way. This is sick. Okay, so it looks like it is a Metal Gear Solid Delta messenger bag. Okay. Yeah, this looks like it's the main thing. Let's open this on up. Gosh, this is really nice, like military olive green color and really thick. Is it a canvas? It feels like a canvas type material. Let's go ahead and look at the pockets and everything. Got this front zipper. You could fit so many snacks in here. So many snacks. Bubble wrap. Oh, and it looks like we've got a couple goodies in here also. Yeah. Here's what the inside looks like. We've got, oh, right, there's a camera right there. The inside looks like we've got zippers right along here. Little like secret compartment pouch, which would be great for, you know, like a laptop, tablets, anything like that. We've got more goodies stashed away in that. And I think that's everything inside it. It looks like it can be worn with the handle, or it looks like it's got a loop to be a type of messenger bag, so that's really cool. And let's move on to the goodies. So, all right, this is the strap for it, so it can be a messenger bag. Here is a Metal Gear Solid Delta beanie with a nice like olive green waffle print knit. I love this. I don't have enough beanies. Looks like, oh no, this is a bag. I thought it was a t-shirt. All right. It's a drawstring bag with oh, it's like a, no, it's not a desk mat. I would almost think it's a play mat, but it's pretty big. So, oh, hell yeah. All right, let's look at this little one. Is this a, what are they called? Lithographs? This one is really cool. Yeah, I think it's a lithograph. Get you in focus. There we go. I'm not gonna take the plastic off of it just yet, because I know I'll mess it up somehow. All right, and then we've got this nice zip bag, which is also great for tablets and maybe a small laptop. Oh, is this a jacket? Yo! Oh, it's a poncho. Oh, this is a sick poncho. Okay, this is cool. Here's the front of it. Here's the back. It's got this snake x-ray on it. It is black, but it's kind of that greenish black. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Tag says Konami, and it zips up. Oh, this is sick. I think my favorite out of everything, I think the poncho. So that's gonna be really fun to use at like when I go camping and stuff. Since I go camping and I'm in the desert a lot. So it's gonna be great for that. But also just the utility in the messenger bag. That's gonna be perfect for traveling, and everything in here was great. I didn't even expect to get anything, so even if it was just a box this big with like a single pin inside, I would have been stoked. So thank you so much, Konami, for all of this, and thank you guys for coming along and unboxing with me and watching this.